In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Surveymonkey. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to the Surveymonkey homepage. You can type the address directly into your address bar, then wait for the site to load fully. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before proceeding so the changes apply to the right profile. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile image or your initials in a small circle. Click that profile icon to open a quick menu. From there, choose My Account. This takes you to your account settings, which is where all personal details and security options live. Inside your account settings, confirm you're on the Profile tab. This is typically the default view, and it's where Surveymonkey keeps your basic information and password controls. Scroll or scan the page until you find the password section. It's clearly labeled and you'll see an option to edit it. Click Edit to begin making changes. A small form will appear asking for your current password first. Type your existing password carefully. This step verifies it's really you. Next, enter the new password you want to use. You can create your own strong password or choose the suggested strong password that Surveymonkey may provide. If you're creating your own, aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can help you generate and securely store a strong, unique password so you don't have to memorize it. After you've entered the new password and you're confident it's correct, review what you typed to avoid typos. When you're ready, select Change Password to save your update. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on screen indicating your password was changed successfully. If you're signed in on other devices or browsers, you may be prompted to sign in again there with your new password, which is normal after a security change. That's it. Your Surveymonkey password is now updated. If you opted for the suggested strong password, be sure to copy it to your password manager or a secure place right away so you don't lose access. And if your organization uses a single sign-on system, remember that password changes might be managed outside of Surveymonkey. Thanks for watching, and great job.